Welcome to Timeless Typography, part of your Canva starter kit. Okay, I've just got an Instagram post, a square one I've just put here. So let's have a look at text. Over here on the left, click on that. Okay, we can add a heading. Okay, Canva Sans is their default font, which is great to use for anything. This is bold up here and a size 78. Okay, so let's double click on that and we're going to have Canva Sans. Let's have a look at some other headings. So we'll duplicate that, bring it down with our little holder. Okay, and we're just going to look at some other headings. You can look across here, headings. Again, anything with the crown will be included in a pro pack, so there are plenty of free options. So we'll go through chunk 5, I love that for a heading. Also the numbers, I love their numbers. They're great for if you're doing a count for anything. They're just a good shape, size. So that's chunk 5. Click off that, we'll go up here again and we'll duplicate that. Oops, we'll just drag that down. Okay, other headings. And it's good because you can see them exactly as they are there and just have a scroll through and see. There's some outline ones there. Oh, I like that one. Chiffon outline. Vast shadow was the one that I had, yes. So let's just got a bonus one there. All right, chiffon outline, vast shadow. Now these are great for heading fonts because they're clear. Don't go too fancy or calligraphy, handwriting. You want your heading to stand out and to be easily read because literally you have a second to grab your audience's attention. So that's the headings there. We'll add an extra page here. So this is for a body text. So just your text. Okay, again, Canva Sans is great just for a basic body text. Okay, and we'll duplicate that, go across here, and we will have a look at just regular fonts. Okay, so we've got some recommended here, which are good. Arimo is another good one. Okay, we'll click on that. Go down here. So yeah, just going through, having a look. And you can see, those obviously are the old Comic Sans, Futura. So you could go through anything without the crown, it's yours for free. So that is a few of my ideas and just where to find them. So have fun. That is the main thing.